Did you know about nature? Forests cover 31% of our planet's land area. The Amazon basin produces 20% of Earth's fresh water. Over 90% of ecosystem energy comes from the sunlight. More than half of the oxygen we breathe comes from the oceans. At least 80% of Earth's species have yet to be discovered. Microorganisms make up most life on Earth. Coral reefs support 25% of all marine life. Bees pollinate 1/3 of our food supply. Time spent in nature is proven to lower stress and improve mental health. Each single tree is a miniature ecosystem, supporting entire communities of life. Respect nature. Preserve life.